In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text opacity in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your text to look softer, more subtle, or blend better with your video, adjusting the opacity is a quick and useful technique. This is especially helpful for lower thirds, titles, captions, or any on-screen text that feels too strong or distracting. By lowering the opacity, you can make the text more transparent so it supports the visual without overpowering it. To get started, go to your timeline and click on the text clip you want to edit. Make sure you select the actual text element, not the background video underneath it. This is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the correct controls in the inspector when the text clip itself is selected. Once the text is selected, move over to the inspector panel. Under the Video tab, look for the Settings section and click on it if it is not already open. This section contains several controls that affect how your selected clip appears on screen. Take your time here and make sure you're in the right place before making changes. Inside the Settings section, find Composite and click to expand it. This area includes controls related to how the text layer interacts visually with the rest of your video. One of the most important controls here is Opacity, which is what you'll use to change how visible the text appears. Now simply drag the opacity slider. As you move it, you'll see the text become more transparent or more solid depending on the direction you drag. Lower values make the text lighter and less noticeable, while higher values make it more visible and bold. This gives you precise control over the final look, so you can stop when it feels right for your project. A good tip is to watch the text directly in the preview window while adjusting the slider. That way you can judge how readable it is against your footage. If the text becomes too faint, just raise the opacity slightly until it feels balanced. The goal is usually to keep the text clear while making sure it doesn't distract from the main video. And that's it. That's how to change text opacity in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know where this setting is, it's a very fast adjustment you can make anytime you want. Cleaner, more polished text in your edit.